The Blue Diamond Extreme Duty Excavator Drum Mulcher is a tool for those serious about land clearing. The high-strength steel frame and quality parts maximize the structural integrity to withstand decades of use. The tooth-opposing counterblades and skid shoes are made of wear-resistant steel to last longer in challenging environments. The Extreme Duty models come in 40 and 50-inch cutting widths and feature a 7-inch cutting capacity with a double row of chain curtains. This model can accommodate 20,000 to 32,000 class machines with an auxiliary hydraulic flow of 24 to 45 gallons per minute. Maintenance is quick and simple with centralized hydraulic ports and greasing points. Our inner frame liner is easy to replace when needed. When it's time to replace your counterblades and teeth, Blue Diamond offers genuine replacement parts. Adjust the mulcher to get the finish you want with the height-adjustable skid shoes and the adjustable input counterblade. The Extreme Duty model features a hydraulic gate, and Blue Diamond installs a diverter valve to make setup easy. The gate even includes an extra counterblade to produce an even better finish. The counterblades are heat-treated and reversible, so you double their lifespan. The Extreme Duty Drum Mulcher operates at peak performance. Our drum rotor uses a helix design with a staggered tooth pattern to condense the inertia into each tooth as it engages with the material. Bite limiters help minimize jamming and keep the rotor balanced so your rotor and machine will have minimum wear from vibrations. These features work together so you can get work done faster, efficiently, and with minimal downtime. Durable and destructive, the Blue Diamond Extreme Duty Drum Mulcher.